Hey guys, Zach the Storm Chaser here. Welcome to another Twisted Beta video. Today we're just waiting for some storms to fire, and also we have a high risk with STP super tornado parameters of 12, VTP violent tornado parameters of 3, storms moving northeast at 63 miles per hour, 55 degrees northeast. We have temperature up to 92 Fahrenheit, dew point 78 Fahrenheit, 3 cap, 143 joules per kilogram, 36 km lapses, 7.9 cmk, and SRH 473 M2S2, and 700 to 500 millibar RN, 83% surface RN, 64 whopped, 1.8 inches. That means for rain wrap tornadoes. And yeah, we have a high risk, very volatile environment today with super tornado parameters of 12, violent tornado parameters pretty low at 3, but it's still violent. Long track violent tornadoes are possible, so I'll keep you guys posted once in the high risk the storms start to fire up. Keep you guys posted. Also, another thing, I wouldn't be surprised if we get close to an EF5 tornado today, probably even an EF5. Tornado ratings probably around EF4 to EF5 today, with long track violent intense tornadoes, very long tracked at that, with the super tornado parameter of 12 is very, very, very high for tornadoes like that. So yeah, we're just waiting for storms to fire, and I'll keep you guys posted on that. Alright? And currently the conditions at Hazelton is foggy. Can't see anything far out in the distance, and it looks like a tornado did come through here yesterday, so yeah. I'll keep you guys posted, and we're in Hazelton right now, so I'll let you guys, if any storms form, keep you guys posted. Update guys, on radar there's a storm that just formed off to the west. It looks like it's way down south near Prior Lake, so I'm going to start heading down near Prior Lake. I'll keep you guys posted on that once I get down to Prior Lake. Update, it looks like a big tornado came through here the last time a tornado came through. This is Prior Lake completely leveled. This looks like EF5 damage to me. Look at the houses, guys. Completely leveled. So I'm heading to the storm. Keep you guys posted. Donut hole on radar. Yellow TVS going for Hibbin now. Won't be good if tornado hits Prior Lake. Prior Lake would be hit once again by a tornado. Tornado hit there yesterday, so keep you guys updated when I get closer to the tornado. Update, another storm is forming right inside of the other storm. That's kind of weird, so keep you guys posted on that storm too. Looks like it's going to drop a tornado as well. Update, we're punching through the hail core to get in front of this tornado to get a visual of it. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get a little more closer. We're just punching through the hail core right now. Large hail damage to my vehicle. Large dents to my vehicle. Destructive hail. Oh, that thunder's loud. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh. Large lightning strikes. Looks like the tornado's right in front of us. Can't really see it. Scoured in rain. Large hail. Keep you guys posted. Large wall cloud right in front of me. Large wall cloud. We're going to get a little closer to it. Large lowering wall cloud. And there's a tornado on the ground. I repeat, tornado on the ground. It's a large violent tornado. Power flashes. Where is this tornado heading? Okay, we're gonna back up down south. Look at the tail of that storm. Feeding right into that tornado. Okay, we're heading down south. Keep you guys posted if the tornado shifts again. I repeat, large cone tornado right behind me. Crossing the road in front of us or heading for us. And that rhymed too. That was pretty cool. Listen to that roar. Violent tornado. Likely an EF3. Most likely. Oh, I gotta get out of here, guys. Let's go. Come on. Large wedge tornado on the ground. Doing major damage. Major damage. Large violent EF4 plus wedge on the ground. Most likely an EF4. Keep you guys posted on the tornado. Yeah, let's go, 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 go. Large, violent wedge tornado on the ground. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Car keeps stalling. I don't like this. Large wedge tornado. At least close to maybe a mile wide. Hammer probe, go. Go. Large power flashes. Oh my god, major damage. Major damage. Major damage to the airport in Hibben. Major damage. Major damage. Winds to 153, 154, 155. An EF4 tornado, 174. Almost an EF3. Almost an EF4, sorry. I'll call it an EF4. EF4 tornado. Large wedge, violent EF4 tornado on the ground. 188, 196. Almost an EF5 tornado on the ground. Listen to that roar. My gosh. Let's get closer to the tornado, guys. Let's do another intercept. Large wedge, listen to that roar. Large cone tornado. I mean wedge tornado on the ground, sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this crazy content here, guys. Most likely an EF5 by now, maybe. I hope we don't get lofted up. Violent shaking. Tree branches are swaying. Big lightning strike in front of us. Large wedge. Getting a little closer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this content. Alright. Big vortices. Big vortices. Large tornado. It's throwing me all over the place. I don't even want to get out of the car. Strong vortices orbiting around the tornado. It's most likely EF5. Large violent tornado on the ground. Large roar. Large tree in front of us on the road. We're keeping a safe distance from this tornado. Oh my god. Oh, we don't get lifted up. Strong tornado. Keep you guys posted on the tornado. Oh, the tornado's spinning me around in the field. Strong winds. Listen to that roar. Oh! Tornado. Oh, the tornado's pulling me in. That roar. Oh my god. Oh! Large wedge tornado. Vortices in front of us. Vortices! Doing major damage. Going for Hazleton. Let's try to make it to Hazleton, guys. We're going to get really good footage there. Is hitting the farmstead. We just did. Keep you guys posted when we get to Hazleton. Listen to the roar. That's at least a mile wide almost. Oh my god, it got bigger. Keep you guys posted when we get into Hazleton. Large debris ball on radar. Oh, black pixels. Strong EF5 tornado hitting Hazleton now. Oh my gosh. Keep you guys posted. Oh, that's not good. It's hitting Hazleton right now. Go, 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 go. We're going to Hazleton. Vortices! Vortices right in front of us. In front of that tornado. Large violent tornado on the ground, guys. I'll keep you guys posted once we get a little more closer. Look at that strong vortice on the right hand of the tornado and also the left. Doing major damage to Hazleton. Major damage. White pixels. That's not good for Hazleton. Not good, not good, not good. Oh, look at that damage from the trees. Oh no. Large power flashes. Oh, that's not good. We're gonna drive through that's where I just was at the gas station, Hazleton. I'm so lucky I left Hazleton. a lucky guy. Keep you guys posted once we see the damage. An update. We're actually entering a little bit of Hazleton right now, almost. There's a tree inside the tornado in the air, just stuck there. Oh, look at all that debris flying out from the tornado. Oh, like projectiles, bro. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Mass casualty event. All that debris stuck in the air. Oh, no. And the radar's down. Large debris ball right over Hazleton. That's not good. Major damage to Hazleton. Oh my god. EF5 level damage. This is EF5 level damage. A lot of people injured and dead right now. A lot of deaths, for sure. Hazleton is completely leveled. Except for the skyscrapers. Yeah, this is EF5. This is 2 miles wide, largest tornado. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of this very crazy content. Large mile wide tornado on the ground today, and it's still ongoing. But I'm gonna have to stop chasing this. And I gotta see if people need help or anything. But I have to end the video. Peace. Zach Storm Chaser out. Most destructive tornado. Have a great day. Zach Storm Chaser out. Peace. Have a great night.